Something I find quite funny is that Aristotle in, somewhere around 350 BCE, first popularized the idea that birds hibernated during the winter. He'd recognized that they were disappearing for large periods of the year, going someplace else. And his idea was that they would hibernate, perhaps even bury themselves underground. And although his relative contemporaries at the time, such as Pliny the Elder, only a few hundred years later, has writings of observations of birds migrating, as we know them to do now, this idea of Aristotle's stuck around for some time, almost until the beginning of the 20th century. You can still find academic papers written on the subject of the hibernation of birds during winter. And in a way, I sort of don't blame people for coming to that conclusion. And of course, first of all, because many other animals in this world do hibernate. It's quite a